Hey guys, it's Alvies, and today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough video on the taskbars. So this will be a quick tutorial on how to get icon labels on the taskbar in Windows 10. Firstly, open Settings by clicking on the Start menu, then clicking on Settings icon. Next, click on Personalization, then Taskbar, and scroll till you see Combine Taskbar buttons. Change this from always to when the taskbar is full, and that should be it. If you have multiple monitors like I do, make sure that you set combine buttons on other taskbars too. You can then close settings and it should save. There you have it, names of your open programs on the taskbar. Thanks for watching guys, that was a quick video. See you later. Please subscribe and leave a like, this will really help. Goodbye.